celebrations at Koilamati Baptist Church. RKYC celebrates New Year with a long day program at Balipathar. Chingri FC Chaharlangso wins the first late Biren Crew and Dhoniram Crew Memorial Football Tournament. Good morning, viewers. Myself, Malin Timungpi, brings you today's news updates.
Koilamati Baptist Church organized a New Year celebration at its church premises on Friday. Like every year, church members, including the young and old, gathered in the church and welcomed the New Year with prayers, songs, dances, and games. Church pastor Singh Teront and Secretary Ratul Terang presided over the celebrations. Ruplan Teront led the prayers. Second Ruth Teront read Bible verses taken from 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 17. Several guests from various places also attended the celebrations. After the prayers, fun activities and games, the community members had lunch together. Moses Teront from Nilip for 365 News India.
Rongkethe Karbi Youth Club organized a day-long program to celebrate New Year at Rongkethe number Adarsa Balipathar Thongnokbi English School playground. The young and old of Rongkethe village gathered at the playground to welcome the New Year. The gathering sought blessings for the coming year. RKYC President Roton Ronghang and Secretary led the gathering in tribute to the deceased persons of the village. Several competitions including Thongnokbe Kekat, art competitions, rhymes reading, volleyball, chess, long jump, high jump, threading the needle, cockfighting, and Miss Rongkethe beauty pageant filled the day-long celebrations. Jatno Singh Bay from Balipathar for 365 News India.
Rongkethe long ningkan wang stame lapu akhai besa ho tong si paduk pen pinangan ningkan pen non kolom bang bomlo piningan bangke netum nombor dor suang kang pinangan kecing hu sini hinda ci theklo si nili temas tamin piningan bangana ci paduk dulo pen nongatum kadoi tanda churulo na hai ke paduk pen ali nitum pining thelong khela bola peno lai ke patu ma ke kan bono kan ke pai hai ka dong abi ke pati bi pono alang itu masih nilihin benda ini ngarong pen ini ke ke padu ke
Chingri FC of Chaharlangso village defeated Archim FC of Moikro village in the final of the first late Biren Crew and Dhoniram Crew Memorial Football Tournament to win the tournament on Wednesday. Both the teams were tied at 2-2 at the end of an evenly contested full time. And after both the teams failed scores in the extra time, the match went into a penalty shootout, where Chingri FC managed to edge past Archim FC by 3 goals. The final match was inaugurated by social activist James Pangchu, who attended as a chief guest. Pangchu extended a financial help of Rs 10,000 and gave footballs and jerseys to the organizing committee for organizing the second editions of the tournament in the following years. Nilip Sport Association's President Vincent Ronghang, who also attended the match, spoke on the importance and benefits of sport and encouraged the youth to develop interest in sport. Ronghang also gave award to performers who performed in the post-match award functions. James Pangchu handed over the prizes to the winning team, and the prizes to the runners-up team was handed over by Vincent Ronghang. News Desk Report, 365 News India. Dear viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.